All right, here's this one. So this one does want the interval. So I'm gonna put this on the graph just because it makes things I think pretty convenient. You don't have to. But yeah, look, we got 3 parts to this, right? So I've separated into 3 parts. Whatever I do to one of these, I have to do it to all 3 of them, okay? And the first thing I'd want to do is isolate my 3 x's right here. Just want those 3 x's to be by themselves. I don't want that minus 5, so add 5 to both. Well, not both, but all 3 parts. Okay, to zero that out, which is kind of our first goal, negative 2 plus 5 is 3. 7 plus 5 is 12. So 3 right now is less than or equal to 3x is less than 12. And then divide all 3 parts by the coefficient 3. That's phantom 1. Phantom 1x. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. That was a positive coefficient, so all of our inequalities stay the same, okay? So there's our inequality. And again, you can kind of transfer this directly onto a graph. I guess I got to do this by hand. Not that anyone wants that to happen, but here we go. So the lower number should always be on the left. So the 1, I'm just going to put right there, and then the 4 right here, okay? And I don't really care about the scale, but x I can see a sandwich between those two, so it should be something in between, everything in between. But now comparing the values with x, 1 is less than or equal to x, so I get a closed circle of 1. And then at 4, it does not equal to x, so that's an open circle right there. See? And again, you could have split this up into 2 separate inequalities if you chose to. You could have said, well, 1 is less than or equal to x. And then over here, that would have been x is less than 4. With an and statement, but if we can make that a compound inequality, it just makes that a little bit faster. Now, the graph, of course, is just to help us to get to the final answer, which is the interval. And so starting at 1, which is included, this would go all the way to 4, which is not included. So in the end, this is actually our final answer.